Ask any chatbot to double a cake recipe, and it'll hand you twice the baking powder. Instant, confident, and ruinously wrong. Here's the part nobody tells you. The AI isn't bad at the recipe. It never did the math at all. It guessed a number that looked right. By the end of this, you'll know the 3 ingredients that betray you the second you scale, the fix professional bakers already use, and the one AI tool that actually gets scaling right. And it's not the one you'd bet on. So why does this happen? Large language models don't actually calculate. They predict the next chunk of text from patterns they saw in training. And here's the weird part. They barely see numbers as numbers. To a tokenizer, the number 381 isn't one clean thing. It's the chunk 38, then the chunk 1. The digits get shredded. So when you ask for a big multiplication, the model nails the last digit, because that pattern is everywhere, then fumbles the middle, landing on a confident answer that's millions off. Now apply that to your recipe. Double 1 teaspoon, and it writes 2. Not because it multiplied, but because that exact pairing showed up 1,000 times in training. It's right by accident, and accidents run out fast. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's old ChatGPT. Surely the 2026 models fix basic math. They didn't. This isn't one chatbot having a bad day. It's the whole class. Claude still trips on plain word problems. Gemini fumbles a quadratic. Even straightforward addition wobbles. Bigger models and better tokenizers nudge the error down. They don't make it go away. Which means the confident wrong answer didn't get rarer. It just got better at sounding sure. So what actually breaks? 3 ingredients, and the one is the silent killer, leaveners. Baking soda and baking powder do not scale in a straight line. Double your batch and you do not double the powder. The rule pros use: knock off about 1/8 of a teaspoon for every teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon becomes closer to 1.9, not 2. Sounds tiny. It isn't. Too much leavener doesn't just overrise. It tastes metallic and soapy, balloons in the oven, then collapses the second it hits cool air. Salt and strong spices break too, because your tongue doesn't taste them in a straight line either. The math the AI is so sure about, it's the wrong math. And having a recipe is even worse. Have a recipe with 1 egg and watch the chatbot cheerfully tell you to add half an egg, as if you own an egg guillotine. You can't crack half an egg. The real move? Crack it, whisk it smooth, and measure out 2 tablespoons. That's your half. Or go by weight. A large egg is about 50 grams, so pour half. It's a 30-second fix a human knows instinctively, and the model has no idea exists. It's not lying to you. It just genuinely cannot tell that half of 1 egg is a problem worth flagging. Here's the fix the pros already use, and none of it is asking AI to scale. Step 1. Stop measuring by volume. A cup of flour weighs more on a dry winter day than a humid summer one, and a heavy hand can pack in an extra cup. Scale that across a whole recipe and the errors stack. So weigh everything in grams. Now scaling is 1 clean multiply. Step 2. For anything baked, baker's percentage. Set flour to 100% and write every other ingredient as a share of the flour. Water 65, salt 2, yeast 1. Lock those ratios and you can scale to any size without them drifting. And honestly, the cleanest hedge of all comes from Ina Garten, who flatly refuses to double a recipe. She just makes it twice. So which AI tool actually gets scaling right? Here's the twist. It's the one that refuses to do the math. Perplexity wins, not because it calculates better, but because it goes and cites King Arthur and the perfect loaf instead of guessing. The tool that admits it can't multiply is the one you can trust. The chatbots, they all fake it. And this is where a structured recipe app changes the game. When a recipe is real data, name, quantity, unit, gram weight, scaling is deterministic multiplication, not a sentence the AI is trying to finish. That's what Recipe is built on. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipe runs your kitchen. Now, the honest caveat, structured data fixes the arithmetic. It still won't second guess your leaveners. That part's on the cook. So back to that doubled cake. The 2 teaspoons of baking powder weren't the AI being dumb. It was the AI being a very confident autocomplete, finishing a sentence instead of solving a problem. 3 things to take with you. Weigh in grams before you scale anything. For baked goods, think in baker's percentages, not multiples. And never trust a chatbot to do the arithmetic it was never built to do. The full breakdown, every tool, every failure mode, is on the recipe blog. And if you want scaling that's just math instead of a guess, Recipe is free to try. Next time, I'm digging into why your AI meal plan always seems to die on Sunday and what actually fixes it.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.